Mingyu. Mingyu, kapre.
Kapre
Talaga
din.
yun.
Kasama
Oo.
po sila ni Choi Sung Choi.
Oo.
So, ang kwento na lang nila ay
Mm.
Kapre Wars.
Shit, may
Sung
transition
Choi
na,
versus
oo. CXM kapre. Live in Kaohsiung.
Babala. Ang kwentong ito ay katang-isip lamang. Ang lahat ng tauhan at pangyayari ay gawa-gawa lamang ng imahinasyon ng mga otor. Ang anumang pagkakatulad sa totoong buhay ay nagkataon lamang. Eme.
Hey! Hi guys, what's up? Annyeonghaseyo.
Miss
Hi, annyeong. Want to sarang?
Hey!
Okay.
She's new here, by the way.
Okay.
Oo.
Hi,
Bago
Miss
yan dito.
Mon!
Hi!
Hi! I am Pia, researcher Nim!
Wow,
Oo.
energy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, hello. I'm Shensi, a very, very tired head writer here in this
Okay.
agency.
Hey, what's up, Trency?
Yeah.
Hi, Anyong. This is Monica, and I'm the creative director. Welcome. This is our very first writer's room. Welcome.
Our very first?
Yes,
10
our
years na ako dito. First pa rin to?
first under my command. I am the newest
Oh,
creative director of
Oo.
this company.
What's the
Welcome,
name?
Miss Mon! Welcome!
Too much, no?
How much?
200.
How new is she?
Like, an hour ago.
My God.
Oo.
Okay. So anyway, so ang iba-brainstorm natin today ay going 17 brainstorming. Okay, I see.
Ako po nag-prepare ng report, Miss Mon.
In fairness, nagawa niya in 1 hour.
Miss Mon.
Yes.
Oo.
Okay,
Oo.
very good.
Thank you.
So, sige, let's start.
Okay.
Going 17, okay.
Oo.
It's been a while, no? Since the last Going 17 episode.
Yes po.
Medyo
And
matagal na.
we miss it
Yes po.
Very
very
much.
much.
Yeah,
okay,
oo.
okay.
Tagal na rin.
Sige.
Oo.
So, I guess we can move on, no? Ano ba yung mga great episode ideas for the next or incoming episode? So, yan ang
Oo.
ating iba-brainstorm today.
Okay, let's get it on. Tapusin na natin to para makauwi na tayong lahat.
So, meron tayong research. So, thank you, Pia, for this list. We have great episode ideas for the incoming season. So,
Yes.
we searched the internet, ano?
Yes.
So, let's talk about these concepts. So, carrots, cubics. If you want to see the future, if you
Want to see the future.
want to see the future and
With
the
a
future
shaman.
With a
going
shaman.
17
With a mind
episodes,
reader.
baka maybe it can be picked up from here, no? And hopefully the producers of Going 17 will see this because they can understand Filipino too.
Yes.
Oo.
Carrots, cubics, and producers of Going 17, this episode is for you. Share this episode with your friends, especially to those who dream of going 17 concepts to pitch. The more the merrier. You know, discuss tayo sa comment section. Siguro may mga ideas pa out there.
Miss Mon, sino po kausap niyo?
Bakit? Bawal?
I'm so sorry.
It's my process. I talk to the wall. Okay. Siguro we can do a refresher, ano?
Okay.
Ano nga ba ang Going 17? In case there are those who aren't listening, di ba? So, Going 17, or GoSay for short, it's a self-produced web variety of the group 17. Do we love 17?
Yes,
Yes,
po!
very much.
How
They're
much?
really
So...
good. By this.
Oh my gosh, she's too much. Okay.
Thank you po.
Ooh, it says here it started ng 2017 on June 12, Independence Day. Oh, in
In all
fairness.
fairness.
And then it was a vlog and then
Oo.
mga behind the scenes muna. I see. So they transitioned pala to variety format in 2019. So there are great episodes. Some are heartwarming, some are scary. May legendary. Wow. What do you
Oo.
mean by legendary?
Oo. Yung parang Zelda.
Okay. All right.
You should know.
Oh, she speaks the truth po.
Okay,
Oo.
sige.
She my girl.
Oh, I like this note. Ang going 17 episodes, most if not all are crazy fun. How true is this?
Like, the fun is true, but the crazy is truer.
Wow, 5 seasons so far, 277 episodes. Wow, and as of early 2026, 1.5 billion cumulative episodes.
Wow.
That's
Wow.
insane.
Wow.
They're
But
so
Congratulations,
yeah,
Pledis.
but I guess as of recording, we have no idea yet when they're coming back. So, perfect. This
Perfect.
is why this
Oo.
brainstorming
Yeah.
session
Oo.
exists.
As
We
they have
are going to
hired
pitch
us.
ideas and going 17 producers, listen to us. But wait, since I guess in the know tayo kung anong going 17, ano ba yung favorite going 17 episode nyo? Ikaw, very excited head writer.
This episode is called Song Kwan's Past Life. Tama ba?
Destiny.
Destiny.
Mm,
Cheverly.
Yun yung
Oo.
may bow?
Yun yung may bow, yun yung maraming bulaklak.
Di
ba maraming bulaklak? Oo.
Opo.
Oo,
Okay,
maraming
okay,
bulaklak
okay.
doon.
Yung pink?
Yung pink.
Mm.
Oo. And gusto ko talaga yung episode na yun kasi doon ko unang nakilala talaga ang lalaking pangalan na si Sokmin. Na hindi ako mukhang excited ngayon, pero sa loob-loob ko, it's burning with desire.
Bakit po?
Kasi kinaldag niya yung sahig.
I like this exercise. Actually, may napipick up ako dahil yun yung favorite mo. I'm
Oo.
kind of getting a sense of who you are as a person.
And,
Since, you know,
and who am I?
mahilig sa kaldag.
Alam mo, yung din sabi sa akin ng nanay ko ng bata.
Okay.
Yun lang.
Sige. I guess, well, that's an honor na tama ako. Kasi kung
Oo.
ano nakikita ng nanay mo, ibig sabihin, yun yung truth eh.
Yes.
Because mothers knows best.
Correct.
Diba?
Correct. Oo.
Pia, what is your favorite going 17 episode?
My favorite episode po is whenever 17 does sports. So, favorite ko po talaga is the kickball episode po. As in, sobrang tuwang-tuwa po talaga ako kapag nakikita natin kung gaano sila kagaling. At yung mga hindi magagaling din po. Kitang-kita po doon.
Are you sporty?
Yes! Yes po.
Really?
Yes.
Ay.
What sport do you wanna play po?
Because it's a sporty jacket.
Oo.
Makes
I
sense
know.
naman.
Kayo po, Miss Mon, may favorite po kayo?
Ako, I am an agriculture advocate
Oo.
because my favorite episode is planting rice.
Opo.
Because it's very, very sexy, but at the same time wet
Oo.
and entertaining kasi may karaoke.
Opo.
Oo. Anong klaseng rice yung pinaka-favorite nyo itanim?
Ano? Jasmine?
Yeah, Jasmine.
Jasmine?
Jasmine.
Dinorado.
Oo.
Sinandoming?
Correct.
Ano ba ba?
Oo.
Actually, kung anong mas mura.
NFA po.
So, okay. Thank you sa iyong report. Pero magsimula tayo. Start tayo sa'yo, Pia. Ano yung mga Can you pitch an idea that you picked up from the internet?
Oo.
Okay po. Kasi since ngayon, pa-start na rin po yung summer sa Korea.
Okay.
So, kung babalik po yung Gosei ng sakto ng summer, alam nyo naman po na sa Korea, whenever it's summertime, yun po yung time din ng mga horror po nila.
Sa summer.
Okay.
Opo,
Yes.
summer po
Summer
kasi
talaga?
ginagawa.
Okay.
Yes
What a
po.
nice
Okay.
cultural insight.
Yes.
Okay.
I know, I said, why not November? I don't know. But anyway, ito po yung ipipitch kong idea. Kasi po madami nang nagawa yung 17 na mga scary
Correct.
concepts, mga
yes.
horror po.
Oo.
So gusto ko, ang gagawin po nila this time around, sila naman po yung mananakot. So yung mga carrots po yung pupunta sa mga deserted na mga town, ganon.
Wow.
Tapos po, pero ang catch po, kailangan nilang pumili sa mga Philippine na mga engkanto.
So, kailangan talaga Philippine
Duwende.
mythological creature.
Yes
So,
po.
Oo.
I feel like it's ganun po. Parang pwede po si Song Chol maging kapre.
Ano mo na-imagine ko siya? As a kapre.
Si
Oo.
Dino Duwende.
So beautiful.
Ba't naman siya pero may hat siya para cute.
Opo.
Very
po.
gnomish.
Okay.
Anong
Yes,
hat? Parang sa lakot.
Oo. Ang
Oo,
cute.
cute.
Okay,
Oo,
I like
oo.
that.
Tapos saan sila mananakot? Sa Korea o dito?
Dun po sa agricultural farm ni Miss Mon.
Sa Tarlac.
sa Tarlac.
Opo.
So,
I
mga
see,
Philippine
I see.
carrots ang target natin
Opo.
dito.
Para sa atin po to. So,
Oo.
lalapag po sila sa Clark. I already mapped it out. na yan.
Okay.
So, sa Clark po yung lapag ng flight nila.
Okay, oo.
Tapos, diretso na po natin sila sa Tarlac.
Pero ang tanong, matatakot ka ba talaga? Kunyari, carrot ka rin, di ba?
Opo.
Tapos biglang sa'yo si Song Chol with those cute lips and eyes.
Matatakot po ako, tapos po, kakapit ako sa kanya.
Correct, oo.
As a
As a
kapre.
kapre.
Opo.
Oo, correct.
Magpapaturo kang kumapit sa puno.
Oo.
Opo.
Parang gusto ko pa ma-visualize kung ano per member yung mythological creature. So,
Sige,
nasabi
that's a
na
good
natin
idea.
na si Songchul nga ay isang kapre, no? So, paano kaya si Jong? Si Jong pala wala. So, paano
Next season
kaya
na yun.
si Vernon
Vernon, white lady.
as a white man?
Yes.
Opo. Tama
Ganda.
po.
Oo, ganda.
White
ganda.
lady, pero nakahanging shirt din siya. Tapos may gitara.
Correct.
So, ano siya?
Oo.
Tapos naglalakad lang siya sa
Oo.
Malate, Tarlac. Balete, Tarlac.
Balete. Oo. Balete.
So, galing pala siyang gig na white
Sa,
lady.
ano yung gig place doon? Penguin? Sa Penguin siya galing?
Wala na yun.
Wala,
Tagal
tagal
yun.
nang wala.
Ano pong bagay kay Song Kwan?
Song Kwan.
Si Song Kwan, is giving, he's giving, ano yung nahati sa dalawa?
Manananggal po.
Manananggal. Oo.
Really?
Oo.
Mas mingaw yun sa akin.
Talaga?
Kasi mahaba torso niya eh.
How about, pare silang manananggal? Tapos may plotline na nagkapalit sila.
Okay, and then... Tapos, anong mangyayari?
Basta nakatakot yun. So, yung mission...
Sasayaw siya ng network love, pero yung ulo si Song Kwan. Ganun, tas yung legs si BK. Tas EB8.
D8.
Okay,
Yung parang kalahati ng katawan marunong mag b-boy. Tapos yung kalahati hindi.
Wait,
Kalahati kumakanta.
Oo, kalahati kumakanta.
yung b-boy pa
Oo.
ka-level niya yung upper body. So, yung shape lang siya. Na lumilipad.
May sarili
Interesting,
silang mission. May
interesting.
sarili silang
Oo,
mission.
Interesting,
Oo.
interesting.
I think I like my idea po.
Oo.
Who else? Sino pa bang hindi natin na-discuss?
Si DK.
Si DK.
Ano ba si DK?
I think tikbalang.
Tama siyang tikbalang.
Oo. Kasi parang ang tikbala,
Oo.
while it is scary,
Oo.
it's still a horse. And you know how horses, they have strong arms.
Ay,
So
correct.
physically,
Pwede ko rin gusto ko i-pitch na dahil malakas yung boses niya, di ba? Pwede rin siyang aswang. Kasi di ba
yung mga
maingay
adlib
yun?
niya.
Oo.
Yung pag nag-adjunay siya na?
Oo, yung ganun, di ba? Parang nakakabingi.
Oo.
Parang kung nasa loob ka ng bahay, tapos biglang may sumisigaw na gano'n.
Ah.
Kasi di ba, manananggal may tendency din na, di ba? Nung lalabas sila ng dila sa mga bubong.
Opo, sa mga buntis po.
We shouldn't go there. Let's be respectful of our artists pa rin.
Opo.
Totoo
Opo.
naman.
Okay
oo.
tayo sa bosses.
Boses na.
Oo,
Oo,
okay.
Gagana siya.
Agree,
Gagana siya bintana.
agree.
Yun na yun. Oo nga.
Sino pang hindi natin discuss? Joshua, June,
Joshua,
Mingyu.
Mingyu, kapre.
Kapre.
Kapre talaga
din.
yun.
Kasama
Oo.
po sila ni Choi Song Chul.
Oo. Ang tanong, kung si Mingyu kapre, sino yung pinapakasalan niyang tikbalang? Sa 17.
Wala. Si Wonu busy siya sa military.
Oo. So, walang kasalan muna.
Wala.
So, ang kwento na lang nila
Luis.
ay Kapre Wars.
Shit, may
Song
transition
Chol
na,
versus
oo.
ano.
CXM kapre. Tangina, live and cow show.
Tama po.
Okay. Yes.
And finally, Joshua and
Oo.
June.
Mm-mm.
Ano?
Para pong bagay si June maging tiyanak.
Si June.
Si June po, parang bagay.
Oo.
Kasi meron siyang, yung ng tiyanak, di ba po parang, cute siya kunwari, tapos paglapit mo, biglang i-attack ka.
Correct.
May ganun po si June.
Correct. Oo nga. Karate chop. Gaganan siya.
Anak ni Junis.
I like that.
Anak
I
ni
have to write
Junis.
that down.
That is just a premium pun right there.
Oh, you're a very good researcher, Nim. Good job, Pia. I like that a lot.
Bigyan natin ng ano ba? Bonus. Bigyan ng bonus to.
Bigyan kita ng ramyon, para may pang-lunch ka mamaya.
Gusto kong malaman kung sinong pwedeng maging Shokoy.
Joshua. Well, wala pa kasi siyang role. Pero bagay din eh.
Sobrang confirmed.
Pero Sabagay, he'll be a beautiful
Bagay.
Shokol.
Oo, di ba?
True.
Oo.
Maganda pa yung arms po.
Correct.
Mm.
Oo. Mahilig pa siya sa
Joshua.
tubig.
Oo nga.
Di ba? Binabasa niya yung sarili niya habang may damit.
Sige, let's spark that. I think may
Mm.
potential yan.
Alright.
Baka Pero wait, saan ang galing to? Sa'yo?
Opo. From my head po.
Oo, ang galing, no?
Okay, I see. Okay.
May mga hindi lang pala
may
puro matcha
talent.
latte yung utak mo.
Mm-mm. Let's try something new.
Okay.
Something Japanese,
Okay.
but I think very loved by many.
Okay.
Because marami sa atin ay nag-grow up with these shows. Takeshi's Castle. Pero parang ang specific, may naalala akong episode sa Takeshi's Castle. Yung kailangan nilang gayahin yung shape.
Oh.
Pero yung shape in the form of... Ano magandang form? In the form of
different mythological animals
in Japan.
in Japan.
So pwede palang series to.
Oo.
Like Asian series.
Correct.
So magsa-stop sila in different
Oo.
cities of Asia.
And I think po, parang nakakapagod po kasi yung concert lang yung tinutour. Bakit po
Oo.
hindi naman ang Go-Say ang itour?
Correct.
Oh my
Yan po yung
gosh,
ano
ang ganda
Yan
nun.
po i-bring
So yung
forward
bawat
natin.
tour, bit-bit nila yung puzzle pieces.
Tapos gagawin nila in specific important national locations.
Opo.
Kasi parang kumbaga, parang they're also bringing to light the very important places in the countries they visited. So imagine sa Pilipinas, no? Intramuros.
Okay.
Tapos magkakaroon sila ng ganong Takeshi's Castle game.
Mhm.
Fun.
Okay, sige.
Mm.
Sige, I will write those down.
Mm-mm.
Suggestion. Actually, marami kasi nagsisuggest nito eh.
Mm-mm.
Nag-research ka. Thank you for your report. Pero syempre nag-research din ako, no, on my own.
Oo.
Paulit-ulit siya. Hole in the wall, ganun.
Oo.
Parang bagay talaga. Kasi napaka-physical nila. No?
Correct. Oo.
Tapos na-imagine ko rin, parang over the years, palaki ng palaki yung Going 17. So, palaki din ng palaki yung set. Nakakamiss yung mga malaking set, yung may mga Mouse Busters, gano'n. Kaya perfect yung mga Takeshi's Castle, hole in the wall type eh.
Oo, totoo.
Para may pagka-nostalgia din siya.
Oo, para sa ating mga millennial carrots, no?
But very funny.
Yes.
Because
correct.
they are very, very funny people. Ang
Oo.
17.
Correct. Tama ka dyan.
Pia, baka may masasuggest ka na next. Ano pang nahanap mo sa internet?
Ito po, kasi alam po natin na 17 and NAPD, maganda
Mhm.
po yung klaseng collaboration. And nakita rin po natin na si Song Kwan at si Youngji may something.
May something.
something.
No? May something.
Meron po.
Na-feel ko rin yun.
Diba po, parang may-
Oo.
Bakit po ayaw mong tawagin si Song Kwan na opa?
Correct.
Ibig ba sabihin nun kayo na?
Ay,
Ano ba?
ganon.
So I think it's time for a crossover
Okay.
of Earth Arcade and 17. Pero yung point po nila, ma-matchmaker po nila. Mag-matchmaking sila. Song Kwan and Youngji. How to make them fall for each other.
Oh my
Sorry
goodness.
po sa mga busadan. Huwag po kayong magalit sa akin. Naisip ko lang.
Uy, ang cute nun. Pero anong klaseng
To make
matchmaking?
them fall.
So, titignan po natin, dapat lahat ng mga members, meron po silang idea ng date. Pwede din pong by pair. Ganun. Kasi masyado nga pala sa madami. Pwede din
Correct,
po
correct,
by pair.
Oo.
So, pwede, like, feeling ko, si Dino, suggest niya, Singles Inferno, gano'n.
Ganyan,
Ganon.
Makita
Pero
din natin
silang
yung abs
dalawa
ni
lang
Song
yung
Kwan.
bida.
Silang dalawa lang po.
Okay, meron akong naisip.
Mm.
So, kailangan yung mga members ng Earth Arcade at ng Go-Say ang maglaban-laban para makuha nila yung prize of a date.
Of setting up
of
the
setting
date.
up the
Yeah,
date.
yeah, yeah.
Kung hindi sila, kung sino yung manalo, siya yung makakonceptualize ng date.
Nice.
So,
Pero ano yung
nakasalali sa kanila.
so may pa-games, yung
Oo.
versus.
Oo, gagawin nila
Random
yung
play dance.
Ina-imagine ko yung Singles Inferno, yung kasama si Dex, 'di ba? Ang
Tug of
tanong,
war.
yung hablutan ng
Opo.
'di ba? Sobrang iconic moment yun sa
Mhm.
Singles Inferno. Sino sa 17 ang gagawa nun?
Mingyu, Song Chol,
Kasi kulang pa
June.
isa.
Joshua.
Apat.
Lahat na ata sila.
Oo, correct. Okay, so, sino ang mananalo?
Song Chol.
Songchol.
Tama.
Okay. So we have a winner. And then what happens? And then what happens?
So, sila po yung magsiset up ng date.
Oo,
Okay.
parang gano'n. Oo. Saan sila magde-date? Is it like a Singles Inferno na sa ano sila? Yung
Magpa-paradise.
Island, paradise.
Oo, so-
Pero po dapat yung nanalo, siya yung mag-iisip. Ano bang klaseng date para po mapafall.
So wala tayong partnerships with major hotel chains.
Pwede po nating bulungan.
Ah,
Sa
paano?
hotel mo gawin.
Naalala ko, yung last episode nila,
Mm.
yung agenda, yung nag-meeting sila sa restaurant, ang dami nilang order, gano'n.
Correct.
Tapos, ang sabi ni Vernon, keep it simple. Because, sometimes, when it's too conceptual, hindi na nila alam kung paano maging funny. Kasi masyado nilang iniisip yung mechanics of
Correct.
things.
Oo nga, oo.
So, we should keep things simple. And
Oo.
so far, sa mga list na nakita ko, meron ditong IKEA furniture building, galing kay Gil, ng Instagram ng
Oo.
One to Sarah.
Oo.
Pwede naman.
Oo.
Meron din from Jiguminations
Mm.
from X, Menstrual Cramp Simulator. Alam mo, marami nag-suggest nito, yung menstrual
Alam mo,
Cramp
gusto
simulator.
natin
Parang
makita
interesting
talaga
din
yan.
yun, no?
Oo nga. Para
Mm-mm.
ma-feel naman nila kung anong pakiramdam ng isang female idol.
But out of this list, I think yung pinaka gusto ko talaga from Jollibee, they have to be in their best disguises. Whoever gets recognized last wins.
Correct.
So, kailangan
Oo.
may something.
Correct.
Okay.
Like,
Correct.
what would be a good disguise for each of them?
Oo. It has to be the opposite of who they are.
Definitely.
Oo, parang
Okay.
ganun.
So,
Okay.
magiging babae
Okay.
po silang lahat.
Alam mo,
Okay.
doon tayo magsisimula.
Gagawin silang lahat babae po.
Oo, by the power of Korean science.
And menstrual cramps.
And menstrual cramps, yes.
Okay. So,
Oo.
pwede natin ipasok yun.
Oo. I mean, medyo mahirap. Medyo malaking budget kailangan, no? For physical
Yeah, okay
transformations
lang
like
yan.
that.
Oo.
I
May
guess
budget naman ng Going 17.
In all
We'll talk to the
fairness.
producers.
Oo. And I'm sure
Mm-mm.
Hype has their own doctors.
Wow, actual operations?
Oo, yun ang pinag-uusapan natin.
Pero other than opposite sex, ano pa magandang disguise? Like,
Oh my God. Okay, I have a thought. Which doesn't come often. So, there's this game. Okay, inspired to by this game. But same concept of this, guys. So, there's this game. And, ano siya, computer game siya. And then, so you're in an enemy territory. And then, you have to disguise yourself as an item in that space. So, you have to constantly change your disguise para hindi ka mabaril ng kalaban. So, ang suggestion ko is, they disguise themselves as items. Para hindi sila makita ng mga tao.
so what kind of items
So,
are you
kunwari,
suggesting?
depende kung nasan sila. So, for example, kung nasa mall, no?
Mhm.
Tapos, ano bang nasa mall? Ano bang nakikita mo randomly sa isang mall? Mga, mga signage boxes.
Mhm.
So, pwedeng signage box sila.
Naisip ko po bagay si Song Chol
Okay
maging
lang.
ref.
Oh,
Kasi
Ref.
maputi
Oh,
po siya, tapos
correct.
malapad. Opo.
Abensons.
Okay.
Oh, ay, di, so, medyo nagda-divert na pala ako ng konti. Kasi may ganun ding show na hide and seek. And then extreme hide and seek siya. So people disguise themselves as stuff.
Parang alam ko tong show na to.
Yes.
Sige nga. Sige,
Parang
mag-limit
ganon.
tayo. Furniture. Anong klaseng furniture? Si Mingyu ay ref. Furniture at appliances.
Si
Oh.
Song Chol po yung ref.
Si
Oo.
Song Chol ang ref.
Bakit siya, ref?
Kasi po maputi siya, tapos malapad po siya.
Okay.
At marami siyang laman. Fully stocked.
Yes.
Okay. Paano si Joshua?
Si Joshua ay isang lampshade. Parang yun nasa likod mo.
Opo, bagay po yun.
Okay,
Bagay
okay.
siya dyan. Pero parang bagay din si Minghao. Parang kasi yung legs yung nakagano.
Okay. Gusto ko si DK, electric fan.
Alam mo, yun din naisip ko. Para talaga siyang ventilador eh.
diba? Tapos, as in yung may movement talaga.
Oo. Ganon. Oo. Bagay. Bagay sa
Ganon.
kanyang maging ventilador.
No?
Oo. Tapos yung ventilador pa naaangat ng
Oo.
ganon. Tapos pinipindot mo dito para hindi na gumagalaw. Pero since luma na siya, gumagano siya. Di ba meron siyang episode ng
Oo.
Gossip na gumagano-gano?
Kaya ba niyang maging bladeless fan?
Wow. Dyson.
Parang hindi, no?
Masyadong tahimik.
Matahimik po eh.
Masyadong tahimik ang isang Dyson para sa isang DK.
Okay, so, sino pa? So, may minghaw
Ah.
na tayo. Si June, anong klaseng appliance si June?
Si June ay isang...
Stove.
Stove.
Oh, bakit siya stove?
Wala lang. Pag naisip ko kasi si June food.
Mainitin ulo.
Mainitin
Ah.
ulo. Pwede rin naman.
Or ano?
Ay, hindi. Kung mainitin ulo sa konseptong yon, parang si Dino na lang.
Oh.
Yung pagbigla na lang siya nag from 1 to 100%. So,
Opo.
so
Correct.
ano siya?
Heater.
Stove na yung hindi mo na nakokontrol yung high and low. Yung pasira.
Pwede ka nang masunugan. Ganun. yung stone na dapat itapon mo na.
Si June pwedeng gasol.
Opo, bagay
ay.
po.
Nagsungkwa na ba tayo?
Oo.
Wala pa po
Wala
tayong
pang
song.
sungkwan.
Si,
May
si Sungkwan parang TV.
Mm,
Siya na.
For entertainment.
Oo.
Mm.
Tapos kaya niya mag-switch into different channels.
Correct.
Diba?
Ilang inches?
Hmm.
Opo, yes. Opo,
Okay.
tama.
Mga 43. Sakto lang.
Hindi masyado malaki.
Oo.
Yung saktong kasya pa.
Saktong kasya.
Opo.
Oo.
Tama po. Feeling ko po si Vernon pwede po siyang maging vacuum. Kasi po yung lakad niya, yung asta po niya.
Correct,
Anong klaseng vacuum?
Robovac.
Wow!
Robovac.
High-tech!
Or pwede rin yung old school na vacuum. Yung may bag na lumalaki.
Correct.
Oo.
Tapos puti pa yun. Parang siya nakaputing t-shirt, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos laging naka-backpack.
Correct.
Oo, diba?
Actually,
Vacuum.
oo nga.
Ay,
Tapos yung
naman.
parang pag, di ba tumatawa si Vernon, medyo, Tapos so, di ba? So, lumang vacuum na talaga siya.
Yes po.
Yes.
Tama.
I love that though.
Yeah.
I love that
for him.
laugh.
Oo.
Nagulat lang ako.
Oo.
I think hindi pa natin napag-usapan si Mingyu.
Siya yung ref.
Hindi
si
po, si
Sungchul
Sungchul po yung
yun.
ref.
Si Mingyu wala pa.
Oo.
So, kailangan isang mataas na bagay din. Standing aircon.
Opo, tama.
Pero boxy din eh. Dapat may variety. Kasi parang ang
kailangan
dalinan for
sexy.
the props department. Feeling ko tangke.
Tangke.
ng tubig.
Oo.
Specifically dito sa BF.
Ng Paranaque. Dahil wala kaming tubig.
Correct. Oo nga. Alam mo, I approve. Kasi basa eh. Important.
Ayan ka na naman sa basa. Head
Talaga?
writer niyo.
Wala pa po siyang additional contribution.
Oo nga eh.
Ako.
Ikaw na next.
Ito. Galing po to sa isang taong di natin kilala.
Mhm.
Anonymous po siya. Pero pangalanan na po natin siyang Pia.
Okay.
Ang contribution niya is 17 talent show switch.
Talent show
So,
switch.
think
Nintendo Switch po.
Game Boy. You remember meron silang anniversary episode, di ba? Nag-switch sila as each other
Mhm.
during that show. And then, times Nana-tour. Times talaga.
Times
X Nana-tour.
Tour.
X Nana-tour.
Okay.
Na may talent show sa
Okay.
Nana-tour.
Okay.
So, magta-talent show sila, but as the other member.
Ooh.
So, what they will do is what the other member will do. So, this will include switching of hobbies, switching of outfits,
Okay.
and, if they can, switching of fortunes.
Fortune.
Saju.
Saju.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
So, para siyang yung sa tawag dito, ano yung fan meet nila, Karatland? Ay, hindi, joke lang. Ano pala yun? What do you call that? When they dance to songs that don't suit them.
Parang ganun to, the concept is right there.
Yes.
Oo. Pero ito, they will act like the other. Medyo high concept to. So, they will need some training for this.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Are they allowed to, hindi naman collaborate or ask advice from the person assigned to them?
Oo. Parang they're given an hour to discuss.
An hour?
Oo naman. Tagal na nila
Wow.
magkasama. Siguro enough na isang oras.
Sino po yung magsiswitch?
Good
Oo.
question.
Paano ba ang switching? ano ang method of switching? Bunutan ba ito?
Bunutan.
Oo. Or ano ba? Parang, parang mas physical. No? Okay. Nasa isang madilim na kwarto sila lahat. Papatayin yung ilaw. Okay. Tapos, kailangan nilang mahanap ang isa't isa.
Alam ko may game na gano'n.
Ano yung game na yun?
I mean, parang may napanood na ako na gano'n. So,
Ano?
close nga yung lights.
Oo.
And then the first person na
Oo.
ma-touch nila,
Oo,
sila
oo.
na yung partners.
Correct.
Sila na yung magsiswitch.
Oh, and to add, sige, gawin natin yun, pero let's make it longer.
Okay.
So, para siyang parang, ano yung larong yun yung parang, the boat is sinking.
Sa dilim po.
Pero,
Oo.
paano yung switching?
Kasi kung sino kayo magka-partner, sila yung magsiswitch. So, kumbaga, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 5. Group yourselves into 3. Group yourselves into 4. Group yourselves into 2. So, yung plus 2, sila na yung magkasama.
Ang dami namang round. Sabi nga ni Vernon, keep it simple.
Kaya nga, I mean, the very concept pa lang of this, na may maraming switch, is already high concept.
Okay.
So, I feel like they're up to the challenge naman.
okay. Sige.
Parang
So,
Or magbato-ba topic na lang tayo. Simple na, bunutan.
or ano kaya, what if fan suggested? Para masuggest din natin. Kung
Botohan
sinong-
po ng karat.
Botohan ng carrots.
Pwede.
Baka mayroon pa kayo ibang suggestions. Last round tayo.
Last round. Okay.
Your best pitch for a Go Say episode.
Okay, so, ito naman ay nakuha ko sa Reddit.
Okay.
And this is from many different posters, no?
Mhm.
Pero ang gusto lang makita ang 17 doing part-time jobs somewhere. Anywhere. Part-time jobs.
Interesting.
Oo.
Okay.
Pero I want to level it up. You know, I want to make it harder for them because they need the challenge, no? So, this show is called Go Say Part-Time Job Cha-Cha-Cha.
Okay. Please expound.
Oo. So, ang concept natin dito is 17 goes to a seaside town with a vibrant note. Vibrant fishing
Okay.
community.
Oh.
Oo. So, maraming, it's ang daming isda!
Yun ang vibrant for you.
Yun.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay,
When you
okay.
say isda, kailangan full of life. And then, 17 will take on part-time jobs there. So, mga specifically fishing part-time jobs.
Okay.
So, pwede silang mag-part-time job sa isang fishing ship. No? Maraming fishing ship. May fishing ship ng tuna. Tuna talaga. Galing Jensen.
Chamchi.
Oo, chamchi, ganyan. Pwede ring fish cleaner, fish seller, tigatuyo ng seaweed, meron ding seafood restaurant employee, and of course, may mga heads of the town din. So, may mga Hongbang Chang.
Oh,
Oo.
so yung cha-cha-cha pala is hometown cha-cha-cha.
Yes, based on...
Hindi po si Professor
Oo,
Cha-Cha-Cha.
Hindi siya. Oo. Tsaka hindi yung sayaw na cha-cha-cha. Hindi yun. Pero, pwede natin incorporate yung sayaw na cha-cha-cha. Kasi, may mission sila dito. Kailangan nilang maka-earn ng money through their part-time jobs to fund their community night with the locals where they can dance the cha-cha-cha.
Oh, cute.
Oo, ganun.
I
So,
can imagine it. Full
oo,
production, you know,
full
with
production. And sila din
lights.
magko-conceptualize,
Oo.
sila rin magpapakain,
Oo.
sila din na magkakaroon sila ng story time with the Ajumas and the Ajushis and the Halmanis dito sa ating quaint setting. So, ang location po natin, true to hometown cha-cha-cha lore, it will be in Pohang.
Oh, high production pala to.
High
Pero
production.
kayang-kaya naman.
Correct.
The producers can handle that.
Correct. So,
They've done something similar already.
Oo. So, I want to see them take on many different jobs. But I want to ask you kung anong mga sasuggest natin na mga positions that they can do for...
Positions po?
Oo. Position for you.
Positions in the fishing
In the
village.
fishing village.
Okay.
Oo. Ano bang mga pwede nilang part-time job sa isang fishing ship? Diba? So, deckhand, tigalinis.
Correct.
Oo. Or ano, kung ano to yung mga ganon.
Fisherman?
Hindi yung mga
Fisherman?
pole. Fishing rod. Diba? Silang tigilagay ng ano.
Parang pag mga fishing village kasi dinet sila.
That is true. That's a very touristic way to ano. No? Pero baka may tourism angle din naman ng Pohang. Diba? So, may fishing ship na pang huli ng fish, may fishing ship na pang tourism.
Okay,
Oo.
I see.
So, sino magto-tourism? I vote for Songkwan in tourism.
Yes
because
po.
he feels like he can be a tourism employee.
Ambassador.
Ambassador.
Oo. And I guess kasi meron na siyang experience as a Jeju ambassador.
Yes.
Also a seaside, well, it's an island, so lots of sea.
Correct. Oo. So, siya yung mag-explain na dito po tayo sa bahay. Ito may mga dolphins. Ganon. Oo.
Sige. Mga fascinating jobs.
Oo.
Dentist.
Oo, true to
Dahil sa
hometown
hometown cha-cha-cha.
Oo. I think sino yung pinakamagandang ngipin sa kanila? Alam mo si DK. Kasi malaki
Alam
bibig
mo,
niya.
ang ganda ng, oo.
Tsaka maganda nga talaga yung ngipin niya. So, I think siya yung dentist.
May pogi sa kanila eh, pangalan niya si Dino.
Oo.
Anong job niya?
He feels like he is a hustler.
A hustler.
Oo.
Okay. Anong
So, I
hustle
feel like
niya?
he can dabble in many things. So, true to hometown cha-cha-cha lore, pwede siyang homebang siya.
Meron din ba siyang
Oo.
boat on a hill?
Oo. Na photographer din siya dun.
Oo.
Kasi hustler siya eh. So, marami pupunta sa Pohang kasi para ipakasal. Tsaka mag-prenup. No?
Dino prenup.
Prenup photographer. Na-imagine mo na siya, di ba?
Kinilig po siya.
Oo, di ba? Oh, tapos kiss
I
kayo.
like that. I
ganon.
like that.
Oo.
Parang si Vernon po yung may restaurant tapos dati po siyang musician.
Correct.
Nagigitara po.
Tama, oo.
Pero parang, so ano na siya? True to hometown cha-cha-cha na
I
siya.
think, nag-i-evolve
Oo,
na siya.
nag-i-evolve na siya na
Nag-i-evolve
ganon,
siya,
no?
oo.
Pero gusto ko lang i-add na kailangan may shipbuilder. And we all
Oo.
know that that's Kim Ming-gyu.
Correct.
Oo.
He can build anything.
Like, imagine
Yes.
him with ano yun? Welding.
Yung ganung klaseng
Yung
ship.
ganung klaseng shipbuilder.
Yung
Akala ko kahoy
container.
po
Oo
tayo.
nga. Paano tayo container ships na pala tayo dito? For global transportation pala ito.
Because why not?
At gusto ko na siya lang mag-isang gagawa nun. How long will it take?
Do you think dapat, parang maganda sa concept na to, is
Oo.
dapat naka-partner sila with an existing townsperson?
Oo, correct.
Diba?
Oo nga. Para, kasi nga part-time job.
Oo,
so, they
oo,
need
oo.
someone to train them.
Oo.
I can imagine Kim Ming-yu with a welder.
Welders.
Like a welder to help him out with his shipbuilding.
Pero,
Diba?
ang
Shit, ang
shipmaster,
Oo.
si Song Chol,
Anong ginagawa ng isang shipmaster?
nag-uutos.
That's
That's very Song Chol.
Yes.
Oh my God, but I would love to have him in a very physical activity though.
Ah.
Versus yung mga ganun lang. Parang gusto kong, alam mo, pagbuhatin natin siya ng isda.
Ay!
Damn, son.
Tuna.
Oo, gusto
Kasi
ko.
kaya ng isang tao yun.
Diba? Oo, diba sa Genset?
Oh.
Ganun, diba?
May namimiss ata tayong iba pang member. Sino pa ang hindi
Minghao,
natin?
Joshua.
Oo. Si Minghao pwedeng
May Chinese restaurant
Chinese
po.
restaurant. Correct. Specializing in Chinese seafood dishes.
You know who June can be?
Oo.
Port Authority.
Wow.
Siya yung nanguhuli ng
Correct.
drug trafficking.
Oo. it's giving Typhoon family.
It's also giving, Hong Kong cinema.
Correct.
Like,
Oh my God,
mag-chase,
na-imagine
may
ko,
chase,
may chase scenes tumatalon siya per ship.
Oo.
Nag-high-
Sa Squid Game,
Nagka-high jump
hinahanap
siya
nila
dun.
yung
Correct.
Diba?
Totoo. Philippine Ports Authority pala to.
Oo.
PPA. Pohang. PPA pa din pala. Pohang
Pohang
Ports
Ports
Authority.
Feeling ko si Joshua. Ano bang pwede kay Joshua?
Feeling ko po dahil he's good with his hands. Parang
Mm.
kaya po niyang
Oo.
i-lay out yung mga isda ng maayos for the drying.
And for the aesthetic.
And for the
For the
aesthetic.
aesthetic.
Oo. Kasi isa din yun sa mga set nung prenup nung baby.
Correct.
Ah.
Oo nga. Kasi instead of banderitas, no?
Opo.
Why not dried squid?
Exactly.
Oo.
Dried squid, dried seaweed.
Correct.
Actually, kaya niya rin siguro siya yung gumagawa ng net.
Apo.
Nag-crochet siya.
Ng net.
Ng net.
Ng fishing net.
Ng fishing
Kapag
net.
nasira din po yung mga nets, siya lang po
Oo.
takuhan.
Siya yung
correct.
nag-repair. Ay, ang cute nun.
Like a master.
Oo, and with that in mind, gawin na natin Taylor. No, lahat na lang ng anything he can tahe.
Oo.
He can
Because he's
do.
creative.
Oo, Taylor.
Okay, sige. Sige, park natin yung idea na yan. I kinda
Okay,
like
this is
that.
Ngayon po, nauuso po yung mga idols na nagpapabasa ng past life.
Oh my
Via hypnosis po.
Ooh, okay.
I love that.
So, gusto ko pong malaman yung past life ng
Oo.
mga members.
Oo.
Ano pong hula ninyo sa mga past life nila?
Feeling ko start tayo kay Joshua.
Oo.
I really think he's like a gentle animal of sorts.
Bambi po.
Like no joke.
Or yung sa sa Land Before Time.
Oh, tanan. Jurassic
Dinosaur?
Park pala yun. Si Littlefoot. Ako, feeling ko si Joshua feels like he sells flowers.
Ah.
Diba? Doesn't it feel like he
In
sells?
front of the church po.
Oo.
Medyo-
Arms.
Oh my God, yun din iniisip ko. Actually, leme sarap nga iniisip ko eh. Hindi ko alam bakit. Pero yung ganong outfit.
Oo, bagay sa kanya yung
Oo.
mukha
niya.
Oo.
Correct.
Di ba ang cute nun?
As in
There
French
is a
beggar child.
castle on the
that sells
cloud.
flowers.
Ganon. Tapos may broomstick din siya.
Correct. Oo.
Oo.
Kaya, ngayon na in his nth life, no, parang sabi niya, hindi na ako pwedeng maging beggar child
Mm-mm.
on the streets of Paris. I will have wealth,
Correct.
infinite fortune in Korea.
Correct.
That's his fortunate change.
That's his fortunate change.
Fortunate change.
Torete, torete.
Okay.
Si Song Kwan. Maganda. Feeling ko, siya, chieftain talaga. Hindi ko alam kung anong period. Pero
Oo.
nararapat na Jeju. Jeju talaga.
Oo. So, siya talaga ang template ng Harabuji.
Ah.
Stone Harabuji. Siya talaga yun.
Cute naman.
Diba?
Ang cute
Kaya po,
nun.
na-reborn siya sa life na to na bilog yung cheeks.
Correct.
Kasi ayaw po niya yung masyadong flat lang siya.
Yeah, and it's so cute.
Tsaka ganun talaga yung impact niya. 'Di ba? Imagine, you're forever immortalized as
Mm-mm.
Stone Harabuji.
And a symbol of fertility.
A symbol of fertility.
Si Song Chol, what would be his past life?
Feeling ko European siya in his past life.
I feel like he can be a Viking. Yung mga ganung warrior people kind of vibe. 'Di ba? Tapos marami siyang fur. 'Di ba? Yung mga outfits din niya sa concert, puro fur.
Parang
Ganon.
pwede po siyang pumasok sa universe ng Game of Thrones.
Correct! My God, Jon
Ooh.
Snow, King of the North.
Lots of fur. Oy, sakto kasi sa jungle niya.
Opo.
Pack.
Correct. Oo,
Mm-mm.
tama.
Puro fur siya. Pero parang pwede rin siya maging from the Aztec people.
I prefer that kasi ibig sabihin topless siya. Oo.
Tapos jungle, kaya jungle
Correct.
yung kanta niya.
Correct.
Like somehow, na from his past, napasok sa subconscious niya na I have to make a song about jungle.
Si Mingyu po,
I think si Mingyu came from the land of the giants. Dinosaur era.
So crude.
kaya po ang galing niya mag-build ng fire,
Ah!
mag-discover ng tools.
Caveman pala siya. I think yes.
Oh my gosh,
Oo.
pero
Caveman siya
yung
ng past life
caveman,
niya.
siya yung nag-paint ng first painting.
Correct.
Opo,
Correct.
tama.
Na-imagine ko na siya, di ba yung pag-paint nila ng hands, may kakaisip. Di ba ganyan? Di ba ganyan?
I guess. Vernon, may Dino, may June.
Vernon
Ming-Hao
was a
Josh.
Victorian child. I can imagine him in lacy frocks, languishing
Parang I've seen a
in
painting
a
like that
saloon.
before.
Sa-
Mm-mm.
Parang bagay po siya dun sa movie na The Others.
Correct.
Nakakatakot naman.
Correct.
Parang bagay po kay Vernon and
Oo.
Sophia.
Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero yung first na naisip ko na past life ni
Oo.
Vernon,
Oo.
mushroom.
Alam mo, anong klase? The
Yung
poisonous kind? or-
nag-illuminate.
Oh.
So deep in the forest, ganon.
Of Ireland?
Of, not necessarily, actually
Kasi
hindi,
it's a
mas
magical
siya,
place.
mas Miyazaki.
Ah.
So, siya,
The
baka hindi
Japanese
pala
styles.
mushroom. Yung parang, what do you call that, yung mga sprites ba yun? Or something?
Oo. Oo.
Yun. Basta
Oo.
parang yung ganong entity
Opo.
na nag-glow in the dark.
Oo,
Yeah.
parang
Pero
fairy.
mga-
Kasi po kung
Oo.
mushroom,
Oo.
parang paano po siya ma-reincarnate?
I mean, he did good as a mushroom.
And they're in Japan. In Japan, they believe that all beings,
Including mushrooms.
Including
Oo,
mushrooms
Oo. He
are
did his
one.
best as a mushroom.
Okay.
Dino,
Dino is a dinosaur.
No, that's given. Dapat iba.
Dino, parang it seems like he could be a cobbler.
Cobbler, but puro European tayo.
Ako
Walang
feeling ko po
Korean.
parang soldier siya in his past life. Para siyang madami pong inaway. Kaya hanggang ngayon nangaaway pa rin po siya.
Marami siyang inaway.
Madami siyang kinalaban pala. He was in a lot of wars and he survived. Tapos yung parang legend lang siya dun sa mga kabilang tribo.
Correct.
Wow.
Alam mo dun, meron dun, maliit lang yun, pero sobrang galing niyang mandirigma.
Oo.
Pero secret life niya yun. Kasi ang front niya, he's part of the court jester, court dancer, entertainers.
Wow, gusto ko yan.
Bon appetit, Your Majesty.
Oh. That's right. Diba? Kaya niya yung ganun.
Oo.
Paano po ulit? Di ko po nakita.
Pero what if it's in reverse? Diba? Na parang warrior siya. Pero yung
ang
secret
secret
love
life
niya
niya
pala is mag-entertain.
Opo, kasi hindi siya rerespetuhin ng mga
Correct. Oo
village.
nga. Oh, it's beneath you. Ganun. Pero no, but I choose my art!
Opo.
Ganun siya.
So, ang
Oo.
ending nito, High School Musical.
Correct ito. All in this together.
Bagay sa kanya.
I think Ming Hao is actually perfect. A Mongolian
Barbecue.
no. Yung Mongolian, yung sa Physical 100, yung
a gymnast. Or
Yeah.
acrobat.
acrobat. I think he can be an
Yes.
acrobat.
Oo. Na magsama na lang sila ni Ming Hao. They're both in
Ni June.
ni June. Si June tsaka si Ming Hao.
In a circus.
In a circus.
Mm-mm.
Is Hoshi the tiger.
Perfect.
They discover a Tibetan tiger
Yeah. Perfect,
somewhere
perfect.
along the way.
I think this is the correct fortune.
Yes, okay. Gosh, I guess it's my turn, no? The last
Oo.
suggestion. This might be difficult, pero with the challenge, if the producers accept the challenge, it'll be very, very interesting. May napanood kasi ako si Subin of TXT. He danced bouncy in one of their fan meets. And then someone edited Subin in 80s, in a performance of Bouncy in 80s. Tas you can barely recognize, oh my God, si Subin pala was there all along. So what if ang 17, makipag-switch sila with idols for a day? Probably within Hybe. So, mga Hybe companies na rin. So, for example, kunyari si Dino and sino ba? TXT, Yeonjun, mag-switch sila. So, Yeonjun will spend their schedule with 17 and then Dino will spend his schedule with TXT. But as Dino as Yeonjun and Yeonjun as Dino. Parang ganon.
Okay.
What do you think of that idea?
So, parang meron silang idol switch.
Idol
Parang
switch.
ganon.
Para pong kung kasali sila sa ibang group sa Hybe, kanino silang group pinakabagay?
Mingyu in Eyelit. I'm not cute anymore.
Parang si Choi Sung-chul po bagay siya sa end team kasi werewolf yung concept. So parang po, okay, pasok po siya sa end team.
Ay, kailangan pala switch. So, kung si Mingyu, sino magsi-switch? Wonnie ng Eyelit.
Nakakatoy.
Parang matutuwa po siya.
So, kung si Song-chul nasa end team
siya. Ang i-exchange po natin ay si Nico. Parang same vibe po sila.
Okay. Sino pa ba? Sino pa mga... Pwede mag-repeat tayo.
Si Joshua
within the
po,
team.
Le Seraphim.
Alam mo, oo. Sino
Tsaka
kapalit
si
niya?
Yoonjin.
Si Yoonjin. Pwede.
As both, Englisheros.
Kailangan pa rin ng naging English.
Correct.
Important. Represented.
I think that's cool. I think kaya-kaya. Si DK, kasan ba bagay si DK? Ano ba mga hype?
Sa Boy Next Door.
Opo. Naisip ko rin po
Diba?
na siya lang yung pinaka-naisip kong pwedeng kumatok-katok.
Correct.
Sinong papalit? Sinong papasok na Bonedo sa 17?
Parang si Ryu, kailangan po si Woozi ng kasama yung matahimik lang.
Tsaka height.
Opo.
Para
for
di si eye
balance.
to eye.
Okay.
Si Vernon po bagay sa Enhypen.
Alam mo, inisip ko
May
rin
ganun
yun.
po siyang
May
same
ganun
vibe.
vibe.
Yung mukha po silang mga...
Oo.
Vampires.
Or
Tama.
basta yung
But
sharp
he's also so white.
features.
So he
I
looks
feel
like he
like-
hasn't
I
seen the
feel
sun
like,
in years.
So, kunin po
So,
natin si
vampire.
Sunghun.
Vampire. Oo.
Wala lang po, kasi pogi.
Oo.
You know, but that's actually perfect.
Pogi
That's
sa
a nice
pogi.
Or why
way.
not Nikki? Para po ma-feel nilang may Japanese member.
Ooh, interesting. Okay, interesting
Correct.
yan.
Oo, tama.
June can be with...
Pwede pong mag-outside of Hive na po tayo.
Oo. Okay,
Oo
sige,
nga.
sige,
Parang
sige.
hindi ko kailangan na mag-outside.
Okay, sige.
Si June po, bagay siya sa kickflip.
Talaga?
Opo, kasi
Really?
yung mga kickflip po,
Oo.
parang mga sila, mga aggressive dancers.
Ooh.
So, parang kaya po ni June.
Oo.
So,
Sino
kunin natin
papasok
si
mo?
Minje.
Okay. I think this is gonna be interesting, but what if ipagpalit natin si Songkwan tsaka si Sungmin of Stray Kids?
Oh, yes. Opo. Totally agree.
Right?
Yes.
Oo. Bagay.
Pero ang tanong po, tatanggapin po ba ng Triracha si Sungkwan?
That's a great question.
Bakit naman hindi? Mayroon naman siya
Kasi po
buka
si
tao eh.
Changbin tsaka si Sungkwan, they're always beefing with each other too.
May ganon.
So, sino po sa 17 yung ililipat niyo po sa 80s at sino pong kukunin ninyo?
Sa akin talaga naka-project yung
Naisip
question.
ko lang po.
Correct.
You know, I can see Minghao in 80s.
Ang payat.
Payat din naman sila nagsimula eh.
That's true.
Si-
So, pag lumipas siya sa 80s, ang laki
Kala
katawan
yung
niya.
katawan niya. Ay, pero sobrang laki ng katawan niya nga pala ngayon.
Wow. Proud of him.
Nakalimutan po pala natin Tuwaso. Bakit po wala tayong nalipat Pledis to
Oo nga.
Pledis? Sino pong babagay sa plot twist at Angtal Challenge?
Pag plot twist.
Or Angtal Challenge?
Alam mo, with Dino's current look right now, parang
I think
bagay siya sa
Dino
ganun.
with the curly hair.
Okay, kunin po natin si Shin
Hair.
Yu.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay, so that completes it, no? Thank you for this.
Yes. So, very
Oo,
productive.
we can rate this at a separate video na lang.
Correct.
Productive meeting. Thank you so much. Thank you, researcher Nim and head writer Nim.
Thank you po,
Yes,
Miss Mon.
I can
Okay,
finally
oo. So, let's sleep na. Because this discussion has ended. I-bring up ko na to the producers of Going 17
Yes,
and
yes.
hopefully they will have leads on
Oo.
what we will,
Sure they
explore
All
further.
of these are brilliant
Okay.
ideas.
All right, so thank you guys. I hope you like this episode and this has been fun. If you like this and if you have more suggestions, just do hit us up in the comments. Don't forget, we are on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube. We are also in social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok, of course. And as always, see you on the next episode. Kausap ko na naman ang wall. Thank you. You're the best. Gumao, Chegoya, and Saranghey.